y'all. Today is Sunday, and we got a special guest in the building. Do you guys want to see who came to hang out with your boy for a beautiful Sunday? Let me just show y'all who's here, because y'all won't believe me unless I show. Hold on. One day this is going to be my driveway. At the end of 2018, this is going to be my driveway. Walk, walk, walk. Oh, Vince, what's up, playboy? Oh, my Lord.
Oh, my God.
Yo, a year ago, I drove my first Evo. A year later, this boy just said, you know what? Let me get on him real quick. That boy Vince is war ready. Oh, I did the feel. Ooh, this boy clean. Oh my Lord. Ready, bro. I see all over Robbie's YouTube, aka Sorcery, aka V2 Lab. Everywhere, bro. Crowd pleaser, huh? Ooh, my man Vince is ready, dog. Oh man, we got some content for y'all, bro. We got some content for y'all. Now, I'm not gonna give you guys a comprehensive, you know what I'm saying, in the car, because we're gonna do a review. But, oh, it's so clean. And this house nice, boy. Woo! But right now, we're going to O'Reilly. I'm going to swap out my spark plugs because in my last video, you guys seen they was like this done. So, I'm going to head to O'Reilly, warranty these things out, and hopefully my car will be fixed. Hopefully. We're going to see. Feeler gauge, plugs, and beautiful tucker. Ooh, that boy just, bro, old dude came and was like, whose car is that? Oh, that's my homie Vince. Oh, that damn thing is clean. Damn right it is, boy, clean. All right, all the plugs are gapped. I got them to, I think 12. Yeah, got them to 12. Now it's time to throw them in there and see what happens.
12 black people minutes later. For Wakanda.
Alright, plugs are in. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if it was actually the spark plugs and not the motor. Ready, Craig? Sounds good. Yeah, I think it was the plugs. Yeah. Yes, sir, that's what she said. Boom, 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 boom. Damn. All right, we're gonna head over to Randy's house. Got the Christina ready to go. Vince is ready to go. We out. We out. Bro, your car looks so good. Oh my God. It's like you're street sweeping on the ground. It's like the cleanest thing ever. Oh my Lordy Lord. That boy Vince is clean. What up, Kate Bags and Robert? You know you a bitch, right? Last night, bro, you could have dropped my shit off.
You didn't even ask me, bro.
I asked Justin.
And Justin ain't here, bitch.
You definitely should, like, you know what?
I didn't even see your message until this morning, bro.
Oh, damn. Wow.
Not on the right track. If I think that shit sound good, I gotta write that. We man knocking on the.
Alright, fast forward like an hour and a half later. Randy's new harness is in. Now we're gonna see.
Which new harness?
Well, it's new to us. Got the pigtails all soldered in and whatnot. So now, once we get Randy's car working, go get gas, food, and then I'm gonna do my review on that thing over there, boy. Over there. Come on, build that fuel pressure. Go again.
Swap the 2 cents.
Okay. Swap the map and TPS. Let's see, boy. Something keeps dying. So right now we gotta head over to my house to get jumper cables because Randy's fuel pump regulator took a crap, so we took it off my car and I can't drive my car. So Vince is gonna take us over there. It's like 5 o'clock. Vince is like starving. He haven't ate. So we're gonna get food right after this. We're gonna come back, jump the car, and go get food. And then we're gonna do some rolling shots. And I still gotta review this thing, but a review shouldn't take no longer than like 30 minutes anyway. So it should be gooch. It's still dying? Two step. So now I'm finna go get food because, hey, bro, Randy Carr needs Jesus and all his 12 disciples. So now we're gonna get some ZAXBY'S. I never had ZAXBY'S before. That's where we're heading out right now. So clean. How's it ride?
It's slow.
It feels so much. It feels different. Oh my god. Just wrapped up the review video for Vince's car. Now gonna get rolling shots, and guess who I'm with? Blown today. Say what up, player.
What's up?
We got white girl killing in the back. Woo! Now we're gonna get some rolling shots of my car. Randy's gonna drive my car. Vince is in his car.
No debut of the sedan?
What do you mean? Rolling shot?
I came back from the dead, bro.
Oh yeah! Yeah, if y'all didn't know, Blown Sedan actually blew up his car. Now he got a fresh, low, like, how many miles on your car, you think?
60K.
60,000 JDM motor. Is it JDM motor?
Yeah.
So it's like from over,
Yeah.
damn, boy.
It's from a CX-7, but a Japanese CX-7.
You want two-step? Alright, chill out, man, that's too loud. Whack.
Wow!
So we just got finished doing our rolling shots, and Randy launched my car, as you guys seen. I hope it nothing messed up. My splitter is like, it's done.
That should look like a broken lip.
It's done, bro. It's...
Looks like a car got punched in the face.
Boo! Boo! All right, the homie Vince is getting ready to get him out of here. Bro, it was a pleasure, bro. You can't even see Vince, but hey.
Hey, listen, bro, hold on.
Man, that's my dog right there. Y'all make sure y'all follow Vince right here. Name somewhere in the sky right there. He got a YouTube channel. He got an Instagram channel. Yes.
It's coming up slowly.
It's coming up slowly. My boy finna get a camera, and you're gonna get more Evo build footage, more RSX footage. So y'all make sure y'all follow my homie. Link down below so you can click on it. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like clicking on links so it take you to the right spot. So click on it, and safe travels back home, player. My dog Vince. Yo, what's up, y'all? So I didn't close out the video last night due to being lazy, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna close out right now. And Vince did make it home safe and sound last night. He came from Jacksonville, so that was a 3-hour drive to come hang out, let me review his car again, and just have a good time with the bros, man. It was an awesome day yesterday. And then tomorrow's video, which would be the review of his Evo. So I hope you guys are on the lookout for that. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and come back tomorrow and the day after that, because I do daily upload Monday through Monday. I daily upload every day. It's just that some days y'all don't see the videos, but I'm uploading. Y'all be uploading. When y'all be like, where uploads at? I be like, yeah, they uploading. Now, first things first, let's address what happened with Christina. Christina does not have, who said cracked sleeves? Somebody said, oh, she got cracked. No, she does not have cracked sleeves. I knew it was a spark plug problem just from the knocking noise it was making. It was a spark knock. I replaced the plugs and the car runs fine. The car runs beautiful. It then sounds better now than it did when I got it dynoed and stuff. I did some pulls yesterday and stuff like that, and the car drove phenomenal. And somebody also said I need a catch can. I have a catch can. I need to port the valve cover to run the Speed Factory style catch can. I think I already said that in like yesterday's video. I don't know when I said that. And people still writing comments down below, you need a catch. I don't, like, when you guys watch the video, are you listening or like, are you watching with the audio off? Because I'm answering everyone's question in the video when they write it down. Like, I don't know. I was like, oh, you need to learn how to dig. Well, obviously I do need to learn how to dig. That's why I went to the track, testing tonight, to learn how to drive in a straight line for like a quarter mile. But anyways, Christina's fine. Randy's car, we still gotta figure out his problem. We don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't think he knows. We don't know what's his problem. We replaced the fuel pressure regulator with mine. Car had fuel pressure at the rail, or obviously it had fuel pressure. But with this regulator, he didn't have any fuel pressure. But with mine, he had fuel pressure, but the car still wouldn't want to stay on by itself. We don't know why. Brand new harness. I think his injectors are just trash, bro. He need to get them clean. He haven't got them injectors clean ever, because when he first bought the car, he never got them clean. So I think they just need to be cleaned. But then again, I don't know if that'll keep the car from staying on. I don't know. I'm gonna just shut up because I'm confused and sound like a retard more than I already do. So yeah, we don't know what's wrong with Randy's car. Oh yeah, and I also got a comment, right? Somebody like put in quotation track days, because I label my, when I go to the track, well, when I go to the drag strip, I label them track days because in Florida, we don't really have circuit tracks. And whenever we say we're going to the track, we're talking about the drag strip. So for the guy that put quotation marks about the track thing, I'm sorry, I don't drive my car through cones. And I don't know what else to say. But in Florida, when we say we're going to the track, we're most likely talking about going to the drag strip, because there's not really a lot of tracks here for us to hit the actual circuit. So yeah. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, smash that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Damn, I'm tall. I didn't feel right closing out the video in the garage. This has been my spot for the past, I don't know how many months now. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace!